Guys, Laurel came to the bridal shower. I love her so much. I don't want them to get married, but Laurel. And can we talk about how Laurel practically asked Conrad if he still loves him, and he avoided it? I really don't want them to get married. I don't know where Jenny Hand's going though, because we're getting deep into like the wedding bit. Like, can they just give up already? Can we talk about how we haven't had the bachelor party scene? I just want him to know he cheated. I think he's listening to her heartbeat. Oh my god, I thought they were gonna kiss. Kiss. I dare you. Please. Oh! I can't take it any longer. No. I've been robbed.
What just happened? What did I almost do?
Because you love him! You love him! Oh! We've got a week. This is torture.